kajingdan gibayo yo kunyang jingpang coronavirus hapo kajengla hadu menta kajan miet khapor sansteng kilong hadu arspa nyop wingut but tang hais khas health kidan arspa lai pun riwut bakentup na gi BSF sispa prapu arngut ki asam ki air force arngut but sanpu arngut ki dei na kinong song snong katkum kajing itu jong menteri ketenat kekot kekia ba Alexander Luluhek hari boy kidon arphongut hais janti hel arngut hawas garu hills kandaingut south garu hills arngut north garu hills way but hais garu hills way menteri wilayah tu batang mentakasni kidon khat arngut kibayo uni kunyang jingpang hapo wajalla mana pedeng kini khat arngut kibayo mentakasni spongut kidai ki spy BSF kat ba arngut pat kidai ki nong song snong nagaliang director of health services jong kejela Dr. Amanwar lapentip ba naki arngut kibrio kibalik sya ka yang khawai tho hangthia po khana para Greenwood Resort katenat kelalap bat budien ba kidon sispa saungut kibrio kibala bansha khata ne benon jingma na kajing yabet ya kunyang jingpang ban nagaliang katenat kalsium ya ki samples na kita kibrio ban pha kmi benya bat pha test mentagasngi ha kajing kendu bat kilat pathai khobor ladon langru director jongka Negrims Dr. P Bhattacharya but medical superintendent jong Negrims Dr. Nur Topno hagba kilaya thu batang hapo katkum ka jinge thu jong UMS but director tang hapo Negrims menta kidon khat laingut ki badon yo khanyang jingpang covid khat khandai Negrims menta kiladap ban test lai phongut na ki high risk contact but na kini lai phongut arp saungut ki de negative kat ba henriungut la test positive yaki yo covid khat khandai but kini ki henriungut ki bla test Negrims menta kasngi ki klem lej satya ki klem pat kentup lang hapo ka jingkhen jong sarkar arspa nyop huingut badon aktif balada kentup lang kini ki henriungut kemut ka jela menta kadon arspa nyop hunyungut ki badon yo khanyang jingpang katkum ka jing thu jong kinong panya jong ka Negrims henriungut na kini ki bayo yo khanyang jingpang hapo Negrims kidai ki ba yajan ki bayabet lingba utu spy BSF uba lek pha sumar hapo Negrims kat ba saungut pat hadien baki lawat bat budden ki kentup ru ya ki nongpang bat ki nong apang but arngut naki kidai ki ba wan na po Kolkata way na Kolkata but way na Tripura ki bawan pha sumar hakte ke jaka dakawai ke jingpang hendrai onda ki lapoi te ke jaka onda lale ya ka test lalap ba ki don ya covid khat khandai kat ba sa iwai pat nongpang idai staff nos jong kate kan Negrims but kabalingo katkum kajing ong jong keyboard penya jong Negrims jong UMS but director ba itay staff nos imdan jingadai ai ru but keyword ki ba yabet na BSF ni kelapan artatian ru ya kinong penya jong ki bor Negrims ba itay inos in bit na po Negrims yaw tay kunyang jingpang katkum kajing thu jong itay doktor laong ba itay nos day basa hapo dom senyong bat lesi ila banyo ya kajing yabet na kitay na po kasinong jong i hendrai haduk menta na kaliang jong Negrims kadang persang ban budden ban lap ya kadaw ba kajing sisa bat kum juru la budden ya kibre kiba itay inos ilai kendo.
This is the break kadi break up jong kidi ki positive cases hapo ka COVID-19 status jong po Meghalaya ka jongi arspa lai pun reungut kidi na po SKC Hills ki BSF kilong personal kilong sispa propo arngut ki Air Force kilong R kibai kilong sanfu R hari boy ngidon R fongut hais Jante Hills ngidon arngut West Garo Hills ngidon Kandaingut South Garo Hills ngidon arngut East Garo Hills iway North Garo Hills iway but kibla jam hadu menta kilong sapun reungut kini gede ki break up jong ka COVID-19 status po ka Meghalaya ka jungi mentagasngi ki bangiyo ka kilong spongut ba okhadargut baro mentagasngi boyo the new cases which is reported today. There are 12 active positive cases today only. Yeah, 12. 10 are from BSF and 2 are from Negrims.
We have a total of 13 patients in Negrims. 1-3.
Of the total cases that we have, the high-risk cases or high-risk contacts as we call them are 111 total, and low-risk contacts are 121. Okay? 21. So regarding the high-risk contacts, the contact has happened at different period of time. So one batch of testing has been carried out. So far we have 53 people for whom we have sampled. The swab we have done, of which 30 people we have done the sampling, and the rest sampling has been done today, so that report is not available with me. Out of the 30, 24 contacts are negative and 6 contacts are positive. Of the 6 contacts, 2 are patients from the same ward where the contact has happened, and 4 are attendants who were there in the same ward. So as per my information so far, we are very lucky, if I may put it that way, that we don't have any healthcare worker who has come into contact with the patient but has not got the disease. Okay, but the actual picture will be known as and when we get all the results with us. There are 2 cases who have got a history of interstate travel. One of them has traveled from Kolkata. The other person, who's again a patient, has traveled all the way from North Tripura. Mind you, these 2 cases, their primary problem was not COVID, but they have come with some other unrelated problem. One is a case of gallbladder stone, and the other patient is actually a case of chronic pancreatitis. After the protocol that we have in the hospital today is anybody with an interstate travel history comes, we run a COVID test before they let them into the general wards. So at that point, we have found that these 2 patients are actually positive for COVID. Okay? Then the next 6 patients which we have, these 6 patients are actually the contacts of an index patient who's from BSF. On 4th, he was admitted to a ward, and on 9th, we found him to be having symptoms. On that day, we have diagnosed that, this gentleman is actually a COVID case. We have got the report. And after that, we have run the contact tracing and what we call as evaluation of the exposure risk, and the ones who were high risk. I mentioned 24 people came negative and 6 people came positive. So these 6 pertain to that. Then the next 5 are those cases who have got detected. Of the 5 cases, 4 were detected because of the screening that we do. Okay, and this screening that was done was basically for 4, and 1 patient, that is a sister from Negrims, one of our healthcare workers, she actually was symptomatic. And because of her symptoms, we have tested and we have found her to be positive. So that is a breakup. So 2 with interstate travel history, 6 who are actually contacts of one of the patients who was admitted to ortho, and 5 cases who were detected for various reasons, of which 1 actually had symptoms of COVID, and therefore we have tested, and other 4 were basically a screening test.
So 13 cases from Negrims has not been added. The 6 new patients which they have got has not been added here as of now. That we will update later. Okay, that has come from Negrims. From these 52 others, we have got 8 from the contact tracing of the wedding party, plus 2 comes to 10. Then we have got those other patients coming from, they are returnees, like those party from Bihar, from Kitting Road area. Plus, I don't have the exact details. Those are the main details. But the 6 from Negrims, which they have detected today, that has not been added here as yet. That will be updated later. We have gone around because the contact tracing is all over town. So it is a huge number. Okay, and we have to verify. If a person says that I have met so-and-so, and that person says, no, I have not met, we have to verify. There's so many things. So giving the exact number of how many, it's impossible out here. But for the main 2 cases I already given before, we have 105 4 contacts, the main 2, the first 2 from the wedding party. The rest now they are doing. Okay, and plus this rain is also disturbing them. So by tomorrow afternoon, sir, I think we will be in a position to say how many altogether. But as of now, from the wedding party, none have turned out to be positive as yet. Contacts and those who had gone to the wedding.